Okay, so we dig up.
So we'll just dig up.
There you
and
go, we
then
see
we'll
a
loosen
potato.
the ground from the edge in, and we got just dig through. Can wear gloves for this if you prefer. Just kind of.
So you just have to be kind of
Feel
gentle,
through.
right? When you stick the fork in to try to not.
So I'm
totally-
sticking the fork in right on the edge of what I already dug up,
Right.
so that I'm not going in like this. I'm
Right.
going in straight down, so that I don't stab the potatoes.
Right. And sometimes you just have to like shuffle through that soil, and you'll find there's some
There,
potatoes
the
there.
potatoes.
And
And
then
if
you
you
kind of
don't
wipe them up.
damage them
Yeah.
and you don't wash them or anything, you just kind of let the dirt dry on them, they will stay in a cool basement until probably March.
Wonderful.
So
Okay.
they have really
So
good
don't even
storage
wash
depth.
them.
Don't wash them before you want to use them. Just leave them kind of the way they are. Let them soil dry a little bit.
Okay.
And then put them dark. Dark
Yeah.
is really important. And cool, but
Right.
not the refrigerator.
Now, what happens if you find a green potato?
So if any potatoes are laying right on top here, well, we might find
There
one.
was one over there. I saw.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
So right here is a potato that was exposed to the sun, and the skin underneath will be green. And actually,
Yeah.
see this? It turns green because it's a potato is actually not a root, but it's part of the shoot of the plant. So
Okay.
as soon as it gets exposed to light, it turns green, and once it turns green, it forms a toxin called solanine,
Okay.
and it's pretty,
Very poisonous. So do
Very
not
poisonous.
eat green potatoes.
especially causing miscarriages in pregnant women.
Thank you.
So do not eat them when they're green. If you can cut it off, it would be safe to eat a part.
But I think
It
it's best
doesn't
to
have
toss. Yeah. And
any-
certainly not to donate green potatoes.
Don't donate green potatoes. And if you find a green part, you cut it off and make sure you got all the green parts off, and then you